from cleaning hospital floors to operating on human brains. Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a brain surgeon? It's not just about intelligence or luck, it's about discipline. This individual had an unwavering discipline that led them to achieve extraordinary success. Let's take a journey through their life and uncover the secrets of their dedication. It all started when this person was just an ordinary student who worked as a janitor to make ends meet. Life wasn't easy. They faced financial pressure and long hours, but through it all, they never lost sight of their goals. Even when others doubted their abilities, they remained determined. This individual had a plan, and they were going to stick to it, no matter what. Every night after a long day of work and studies, they would come home and hit the books. They knew that the only way to succeed was through hard work and dedication. Their room was filled with medical textbooks as they dreamed of becoming a doctor. But their dreams didn't stop there. They also had a passion for football. They played as a safety, and their talent on the field earned them the nickname Dr. Doom. Their dedication to football was equally matched by their commitment to academics. They knew that to achieve their goals, they needed to excel in both areas. Their hard work and persistence paid off when they earned a scholarship to one of the most prestigious universities in the country. But their journey was far from over. After graduating with honors, they went on to become a Rhodes Scholar at Oxford, where they studied international relations. At the same time, they pursued their passion for football and became the first player in NFL history to compete in the Super Bowl and earn a Rhodes Scholarship. But despite their success, this person knew that their true purpose lay elsewhere. After retiring from the NFL, they went back to school to study medicine. They graduated from med school and now work as a neurosurgeon, saving lives every day. As we look back on the incredible journey of this amazing individual, we are reminded that success is not just about intelligence or luck. It's about discipline, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. This person's story is an inspiration to us all. It shows us that if we work hard and never give up on our dreams, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Now tell me, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your dreams a reality. Just like this incredible individual, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So don't wait, start today, and never look back. Thank you.